Hey you guys, it's Jasmine. Thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make this super easy, super delicious chicken and gravy, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm starting out with 5 bone-in drumsticks. And you can use whatever cut of meat you want. But I'm gonna slather this in some cayenne pepper hot sauce on both sides. And then I'm gonna add just a touch of turmeric powder, not too much because it has a very distinct flavor. Then I'm going to add some all-purpose adobo seasoning again to both sides, and I'm just going to go in and rub that in. And then I'm going to add in some Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning to both sides as well, so everything goes on both sides, guys. Then I have a skillet on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I added in some butter and some olive oil, and I'm going to add in my chicken. Now guys, when you add your chicken in, make sure there's enough space for all of them. And what we're not going to do here, we're not going to cook this chicken all the way through. We're just going to brown them on each side. So we're going to brown them for about 3 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, just until they get brown, not cooked all the way through. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this chicken and set it to the side. And I'm still going to keep my skillet on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my vegetables, which is just a yellow onion, green bell pepper, and some minced garlic here. And we're just going to cook this for 5 minutes in that same grease and oil. That same butter and olive oil that we cooked the chicken in. And you can add a little more olive oil if you think you need some more oil. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to add in some butter. And we're going to let that butter melt. And then I'm going to add in some all-purpose flour. And you want to make sure you mix that in really well before you do anything else. Just make sure that's mixed in. Now I'm going to add in my chicken broth and whole milk. All right. And then I'm just going to add in some salt and pepper. And make sure you go ahead and mix that up all really well. All right. Now I'm going to add back in my drumsticks. We're going to let that chicken cook all the way through in this pan for 30 minutes. And again, the skillet is still on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And after 30 minutes is all done, we're just going to go ahead and slather that chicken in that gravy. You see everything's all thickened up. It has a really nice color to it. You can see that bell pepper and onion, everything is just cooked so through and just nice and tender. Okay, now I'm just topping my chicken and gravy off with some fresh parsley. All right, and then that is all. I went ahead and I put mine on a bed of rice. You can do mashed potatoes or fried cabbage or whatever you choose, but I like mine on some hot buttered rice. And you can see the chicken here is very, very tender. The gravy is so delicious, guys. It has the perfect flavor, perfect amount of seasoning. So I hope you guys try this recipe. I hope you like it, and please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.